Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Let's just say I woke up kind of late, right? Which I wanted to because the condition was really bad. Like, we had a nasty weather warning, ice rain. Basically, the roads were just terrible here in Wisconsin. So I slept in a little bit. It was a good thing I slept in because I got here at 7 o'clock, which is kind of late. You know, it's supposed to be around like before sunrise, stuff like that. But I got here around 7 o'clock, and yeah, I got everything ready. I walked out to my spot. It was a good 30-minute walk, you know, and I'm digging through all my stuff, and I'm like, where is my drill? Because I need that drill to stake my shanty onto the ice so the wind doesn't, you know, take it away. I didn't have my drill on me. I was going crazy, so I text my lady. I'm like, hey, is the drill back at home? She was like, yep, it's right here. That's when I knew I messed up. Like, I was so pissed. I'll be honest with you guys. I was so pissed. Like, how do I forget the drill? The drill and the auger and the adapter for the stakes is like the most important thing, you know? I left that at home, and that was that. Like, this is just my little rant, my intro. I bought the... Here, I went to Home Depot. And I bought the Milwaukee drill, okay? If you guys don't know, this is the brand that I use. This is the newest one, actually, the M18. It's gonna do for now. It's gonna do for the rest of the season. And I don't care. We got the drill. Let's make this day happen, because anything can happen when you're making YouTube videos. Anything can happen when you're out here. It's just crazy. It's 9 o'clock. I need to get out there. It's alright. We'll wait for the evening buy-in. So hopefully we got your fish. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on the ice. Let's do this. What are you doing?
Window shopping.
Oh, here he is. Here he is. He's coming. Got him. Got him. Please stay on. Please stay on. Dude, he came in so fast. What the heck? Yes. Hi, you're good luck. Chill, buddy.
I know that.
I got him. Dude, he came in so fast. That fish came in like a lightning bolt, dude. Oh, my goodness. Took me long enough.
Should have called me sooner.
There you go, right? I should have called you sooner. Every time. Dude came in like a torpedo, like, didn't even give me a chance to do anything. Wow, it's crazy. Hello? What's up?
Hello?
Hey. Oh, I got fish. Dude, it's so good luck when I call you.
I know. Always is.
There's a fish on me right now.
Good.
Eat it. Eat. Oh, no. No, I missed him. Oh, I missed him. Got him. Dude, every time I called you. Dude, every time I call you, dude. Oh my gosh. I'm a hot mess right now. Hold on. Dude. Oh, ooh, it's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Please stay in the hole. I mean, it's not that big, but it's better than what I was catching the past few days. That's a nice fish. Dude, I was just getting so bored. I'm like, I'm just going to call Babe, see if it works. Sure enough, I get a nice fish right there.
I hope you record these.
I did. It's only when I call you, I swear. Ooh, it's hot in here now. You hear that? You hear that?
Yeah.
Sounds like an earthquake out here. That's ice build. Got him. He crushed it. That's a little guy. Yep, it's a little guy. Decent. Nice. Oh my goodness, these fish are driving me crazy. Chill, relax. Oh my goodness, that's another nice fish right there. Wow. Woo. All right, chill, relax. Oh, that dude showed up out of nowhere. Like, I keep telling you guys this, like, these fish, they have no mercy. When they show up to crush bait and like deliver. They are just insane, man. That's why I love the spot out here. Oh man, they're just slimed everywhere now. And guys, I know I haven't been posting like too crazy, so I have been going out for whitefish. I've been going out with my friends and them, and I've been having a good time. Basically, I've been fishing but not filming as much as I should, and that's because I don't know, sometimes I feel like I just want to enjoy the moment with my friends and them, you know. And my brother John, if you guys have me, check his link down below. I've been doing some underwater camera fishing, stuff like that, and it's been fun. I've been cherishing those moments. So today I'm finally just back out here on the grind, recording for you guys, and just put on a good show. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Got it. What the? I got him. I got him. Oh, snap. No. It popped off. I had the other rod in my lap. I had the other rod in my lap. I couldn't reel the line in. Shoot. God, man. That's what I get for trying to double multitask here. Man, that was funny. Oh, I think there's a fish on here. It's weird because like they like the dead stick presentation. Oh, there he is. He's back. He's back. Oh. Oh, he dropped it. He dropped it. No, I felt that. I felt that hit. Oh, it picked it up. Oh my gosh, these fish are crazy today. Super smart. Oh, there he is. He's back. He's back. Got him. There we go. That's a nice fish too. I gotta keep up with it this time. Oh, that's a nice one. They're all nice, like I say. There we go. That's a nice chunky fish. Oh, chill, relax, relax, relax. That's a very nice chunky fish. Oh my gosh. On the drop shot. Again, like, they come in so fast. Again, another nice whitefish right there. Oh my goodness. I think I'm back in the game. I'm so rusty with this hook set. I'm trying to retie for the 5th time here. These fish are just not giving me a break. They are just hammering it. And it's weird because they like the dead stick. They like me just leaving the bait there for a little bit and then start moving in, and they'll come in and crush it. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, no, dude, he dropped it. I felt that. What the heck? Got him. That's crazy. It picked it up and it dropped it. Oh, that's a nice, there's another nice fish. Oh my God, please stay on. Please stay on, that's another nice fish. Yes. Oh no, it's going back in the water. Oh, and it popped off. Oh my gosh. That is another beast. Look at that thing. Look how chunky it is, dude. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Got a bunky in the head, so I just can't believe it. Like, the fish, they want a dead stick, and they just want very, very slight, just very slight jig. I just can't believe it, dude. I got him. Got another one. I was just texting my buddy. Oh, it's a smaller guy, but it's okay. We'll keep it. There we go. It's a smaller one, but it's okay. They're good eats too. Just, dude didn't give me any time to hooks at all either. I was just texting and then the light just turned red on me. So, nope. I got him in the head so he doesn't. Oh, I got fish. I got fish. Got him. I got him. I got him. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's a load, dude. Oh well. We'll take it. Dang, I was recording, guys, but it's called Nice One. Oh, gosh. I got a total of 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. I'm out of here. There he is. That's a fish. Go, go, go. Come on. Drop shot. Look up. Just look up. The fish won't look up, dude. Oh, and he swims off. Oh, there he is. Oh, he tapped it. He tapped it. Got him. There we go. That's another nice one. Oh, he's a fighter. Jeez. He's pooping all over the place. That's, yep, that's a decent one. No, no. Stay on, stay on. There we go. Oh my gosh, this fish is, he's psychopath. Oh my gosh. Look at that, barely hooked. It's actually a good hook though. Ah, finally. This fish is crazy, man. There we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. We got 9. Oh, dude, I got fish. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, I got fish. Wow, I wouldn't. Oh, no, no. Ah. Oh my, dude, he's glued onto my screen. Eat it. He's on my drop shot. Got him.
Let's go!
The 10 fish. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, it's a nice one too.
Nice, nice.
Feisty one. Got him. There you go, bro. Oh my gosh. I gotta bunk you in the head now. I can leave. There you go.
Nice.
There you go, guys.
Nice back.
Nice. Black. I'm on the phone with my boy Danny. Hyping me up.
Number 10.
Man. Let's go. Let me bleed them out really quick and I'll talk to you guys here. Alright guys, so I'm ending it here. As you guys can see, my mic might fall off because it's broken, but I got my 10. Had a fun time, had a good time. I'll talk to you guys later because I'm actually gonna make a stop, eat some dinner, but I'm gonna head out, pack up. It's, as you can see, sun is setting, so I did walk a little ways out here, so I need to hurry up and GG, get out of here before it gets too dark. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. Alright, so it sucked because I did wanted to talk to you guys at the buffet, right? I went to the buffet that was in Green Bay, and I was hoping I could bring my camera in there, but there were, you can say there were a good amount of people. I didn't want everybody to stare at me like, why do you have the camera, you know? I wanted to talk to you guys there and just update you guys like what I was doing, stuff like that. But, you know, it is what it is. I didn't want to create a scene or have the owner or the workers there say, hey, you know, you got to get out of here because you can't use the camera here. So yeah, if you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. It comes down below. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. It's going to be really interesting. Stay tuned.